Hello students, my name is Amit Kumar. It is the part second of haloalkane and haloarene. Compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon halogen bond. First is the vinylic halides. Vinylic halides is the first category of compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon halogen bond. These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to an sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a carbon-carbon double bond, that is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. The example of vinylic halide is given below. In the first example, the halogen atom, that is the X, is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So it is the example of vinylic halides. In the second example, the halogen atom, that is the X atom, is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So it is also example of vinylic halides. Aryl halide. Aryl halide is the second category of compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon halogen bond. These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring. The example of aryl halides are given below. In the first example, the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring, that is benzene ring. In the second example, the halogen atom, that is the X atom, is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring, that is the benzene ring. Benzene ring is the aromatic ring. Nature of carbon halogen bond. Most of the reactions of halides involve the cleavage of carbon halogen bond. Larger the bond dissociation energy of the carbon halogen bond, smaller is the reactivity. The bond dissociation energy decreases with the increase in the size of halogen atom. That is, the bond dissociation energy of carbon-chlorine bond is greater than carbon-bromine bond, and the bond dissociation energy of carbon-bromine bond is greater than carbon-iodine bond. Hence, the reactivity increases from alkyl chlorides to bromides and from bromides to iodides. In the halo derivatives, the halogen atom is attached to the carbon atom. As the halogen atom is more electronegative than carbon, the bond between carbon and halogen is polar in character. Methods of preparation of haloalkanes from hydrocarbons. Haloalkane can be prepared from alkane and alkenes when the halogen atom replaces the hydrogen atom. It is the example of preparation of alkyl halide from alkane. When methane, that is alkane, is react with chlorine gas in the presence of sunlight to gives a mixture of chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane. And chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane, these are the example of alkyl halide. When pure components are needed, they can be obtained by fractional distillation. These are the methods for the preparation of alkyl halide from alkene. In the first example, when ethene is react with halogen acid to gives haloethane. Haloethane is the alkyl halide. where X may be chlorine, bromine, and iodine. In the second example, when but2ene react with hydrogen bromide to gives 2-bromobutane, and 2-bromobutane is the alkyl halide. Markovnikov's rule. The negative part of the attacking reagent attaches itself to the carbon atom carrying lesser number of hydrogen atom, while the positive part goes to the carbon atom with more number of hydrogen atoms. In this example, when propene is react with hydrogen bromide to gives 2-bromopropane. Anti-Markovnikov's rule. It has been observed that when hydrogen bromide is added to an unsymmetrical double bond in the presence of organic peroxide, such as benzoyl peroxide, the reaction takes place against Markovnikov's rule. This is the example of anti-Markovnikov's rule. In this reaction, when 1-butene is react with hydrogen bromide in the presence of peroxide to gives 1-bromobutane. Anti-Markovnikov's rule is also known as peroxide effect. Applies to the addition of hydrogen bromide only and not to the addition of hydrogen iodide or hydrogen chloride. This is the method for the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. First, by the action of halogen acid. This process is known as groove process. In this process, when alcohol is react with concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride to gives alkyl halide. The example is given below. When ethanol is react with concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride to gives chloroethane. Chloroethane is the alkyl halide. Tertiary alcohols are very reactive and therefore they react readily with concentrated hydrochloric acid even in the absence of anhydrous zinc chloride. In the above example, 2-methyl-2-propanol is the tertiary alcohol which is react with concentrated hydrochloric acid to gives 2-chloro-2-methyl-propane. This is the alkyl halide. These methods only used for the formation of alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide respectively. This is the method for the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. Second is the by the action of phosphorus halide. When alcohol is react with phosphorus trichloride to gives alkyl halide. For example, when ethanol is react with phosphorus trichloride to gives chloroethane. Chloroethane is the alkyl halide. Bromoalkane and iodoalkanes are prepared by the action of phosphorus tribromide and phosphorus triiodide respectively on alcohols. As phosphorus tribromide and phosphorus triiodide are not very stable compounds. They are prepared in C2 by the action of red phosphorus on bromine or iodine. This is the method for the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. Third, with thionyl chloride. When alcohol is react with thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine to gives alkyl halide, sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid. For example, when ethyl alcohol react with thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine to gives ethyl chloride, sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid. This method is preferred than other methods because both the products of the reaction, that is sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid, are gases and can easily escape leaving behind pure alkyl halide. By halide exchange, Frenkel-Stein reaction. This reaction only used for the preparation of alkyl iodide. In this reaction, when alkyl bromide is react with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone to gives alkyl iodide and sodium bromide. For example, when bromoethane is react with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone to gives iodoethane. Iodoethane is the alkyl iodide. Schwarz reaction. This reaction only used for the preparation of alkyl fluoride. In this reaction, when alkyl chloride is react with mercurous fluoride to gives alkyl fluoride. For example, when chloroethane is react with mercurous fluoride to gives fluoroethane. Fluoroethane is the alkyl fluoride. This is the method for the preparation of alkyl halide from silver salt of acid. This reaction known as Borodine-Hunsdiker reaction. When silver salt of carboxylic acid, that is silver acetate, react with bromine in the presence of CCl4 to gives bromomethane. Chloroalkane can also be obtained by this method by using chlorine instead of bromine, but the yield of chloroalkane is very poor.